हम तेरी मोहब्बत में यूं पागल रहते हैं, दीवाने भी अब हमको दीवाना कहते हैं। हम तेरी मोहब्बत में यूं पागल रहते हैं, दीवाने भी अब हमको दीवाना कहते हैं। हम तेरी मोहब्बत में यूं पागल रहते हैं, दीवाने भी अब हमको दीवाना कहते हैं। ला 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 ला। Nowadays, law has changed, and the poet says that the old lovers, just like to Leila Majnun, and these lovers was very upset and disturbs and the law, and you can see that old history is remain to law and so old people's. The old peoples that they shot to in streets and the deserts in slow, and the old Indians and different films you can see that's also the Indians that's the lovers will be remain to in foolish and the maids and this maidness is just like to a janoons and just like to a maidness of their behavior to minds and psychological different terms, but for the entertainment for these songs and one against I revised to different but no law is no days these change and हम तेरी मोहब्बत में यूं पागल रहते हैं, दीवाने भी अब हमको दीवाना कहते हैं। Please subscribe and go to comments today my these entertainment lectures. Thanks for watching.